So hello everyone, in this video we will write a program to check whether the character is lowercase alphabet, uppercase alphabet, number or any special character. So basically what will happen, a user will enter a character to the program, or you can say that user will give a character to the input to the program, and the program has to say whether the character is lowercase alphabet, uppercase alphabet, number or a special character. So let us see how we can write the program for this one. So first we will write the header file. So let us write the header file first. Okay. So the LUD it should be, and then we will write the main function. So after that we need to do the variable declaration. So as you can see from the question itself, we have to give only one input to the program, that is one character. So we have to declare the character variable, right? The variable whose data type should be character. So let us declare one character variable. After that we have to take the input, but before taking the input we will print this line. So we will tell the user to enter the character, and after that we can happily take the input. So let us take the input. Data type is character, so the format specifier will be %c and the variable name is ch. After this we need to write our logic. So let us see how we can write the logic for this one. So first we have to check whether the character is lowercase alphabet or not. So let us see how we can check for lowercase alphabet. So we will write like this. So this is our character. So we will write like this: if character is greater than or equal to small a, and character is less than equal to small z. So what we are checking here? What we are checking here? So we are checking if the character is greater than a small a, like get what are the alphabets, what are the letters which are greater than a, that is b, c, d and all. So we are checking character is greater than small a, or the character should be less than a small z. Basically we are checking that character should be character should be between a and z, and that is small a and z. Then we can say that the character is lowercase alpha. Then we can say that, so let me write that. We will print like this: %c is lowercase alpha. So it is as simple as that. So it is like we are comparing the number, we are just checking our character should be between a and z. That's it. Greater than a and less than z means between a and z. Then we have to check for the uppercase alphabet. So we will write the other condition in else if we will write other condition, and we will do the same thing if character is greater than or equal to, and here we will write capital A, and then character should be less than or equal to capital Z. So in this one we are checking character should be between capital A and capital Z. Then we can say that the character is uppercase alphabet. So here we should write variable name also. So this is wrong. We will write variable name also, and here also we will do the same thing. We will tell %c is uppercase alphabet, right? And in the place of %c, ch should take the value. Then we need to check for the numbers, and that also we will write in else if, and this also we will check like this: if ch is equal to, if character is greater than or equal to 0, and character should be less than or equal to 9. So why I am giving only one digit in the number? Because character can hold only one character, data type can hold only one character. So you cannot give 25, 38 or 2. You cannot give numbers which are more than one digit. So you cannot give 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit number like that. So you can give one digit number only. That is why I am checking from 0 to 9 only, right? Then we will tell to the user, if this is the case, if this case is true, we will tell to the user that %c is a number, and in the place of %c, cs should take the value, and at the last, if none of the condition is true, we will simply tell that percentage c is a special character, right? So we have checked for uppercase also, lowercase also, number also. Only last thing is remaining, that is a special character. So none of the case is true, we will simply tell that character is a special character. Let me write that character is a special character, and here also we will give the value of ch. So this is our program to check whether the character is lowercase alphabet, uppercase alphabet, number, or a special character. So you just need to check whether the character should be between. If the character is between a small a and a small z, then character is lowercase. Else if it is between greater a greater than, so between capital A and capital Z, it is uppercase alphabet. If it is between 0 and 9, then it will be number, otherwise it will be a special character. And here as you can see, I have given numbers in the single quotes, because whenever you are taking any character, whenever you are using any character, that should be included within single quotes. So we are not treating this like a number, we are treating this like a character only, right? We are not treating this like integer value. So this is our program. Now we will just compile and see the output. So let me save the program first. We will compile this program, and I have done the mistake. Yes, semicolon I have not given here, so we will just give the semicolon and we will compile it once again. Okay, it is getting compiled, and as you can see, there are no errors and no warnings here. So we will just execute our program. So it is asking enter the character. So we will check for all the possibilities. We will check for lowercase, uppercase, numbers, and then special symbol. So let us give any lowercase alphabet. We will give F. F is lowercase alphabet, and indeed F is lowercase only. We have given a small f, as you can see from here. So why it is able to differentiate between lowercase and uppercase at the first place? Because we have seen that the ASCII value of lowercase is different and ASCII value of uppercase is different. That is why compiler is able to identify whether the character is lowercase alphabet or whether the character is uppercase alphabet. This is the logic we are applying. We are checking with the help of ASCII value. Let us give capital letters, some capital letters. I will give capital S. So S we cannot differentiate. Let us give capital T. T is uppercase alphabet, and indeed T is uppercase alphabet only. Let us check for numbers. So we will execute this once again, and we will give some number. 5 is a number. So as you can see, we are getting everything correctly. We will do the last part. We will do check for the last input, and that is a special character. And let us give hash. So it is telling, our program is telling hash is a special character, and hash is a special character only. So this was the program. This is the program to check whether the character is lowercase alphabet, uppercase alphabet, number, or a special character. The logic is very simple. You can follow in one step, or in one go you can follow this logic. So if you have any doubt after that also, if you have any doubt with respect to this video, you can mention in the comment section.